Hi everybody, hope you guys are really doing well. Let's learn what are the 5 tips that can help you to solve para-jumble questions in CAT. Before we proceed, let me quickly introduce myself. I am Juhi Narula. I have 12 years of experience in training students for CAT, GMAT, GRE, and other management entrance tests. I also happen to be a life skills coach and a content creator. I have done my bachelor's in technology and master's in business administration. This is my Telegram channel, so you can be a part of our channel so that you get all the notifications about the upcoming sessions, and also you can discuss your queries on the platform. Now, when we talk about para jumbles, these questions are an important part of almost all the management entrance tests. And since now we have type in the answers questions coming from para jumbles, we have to find our approach to be absolutely strategic so that we can reach to the answers correctly. Now here, the first thing that is very important is that you need to gather the gist or the essence of the passage or the lines that are provided to you. While doing so, you will be able to understand that how do you connect the lines and the other clues associated to crack para-jumble questions effectively can be better applied. So once you are able to gauge that whether the paragraph or the set of lines are explaining something or evaluating or criticizing an aspect, you will be in a much more comfortable situation to crack questions. The second is look for opening and closing statements. Opening statements are usually the ones that set the agenda for discussion. So if you get initial lines or definitions, then they are good indicators to begin the discussion. For closing statements, please look for conclusion indicators. Words like thus, therefore, hence, as a result, consequently. These words really make our life easy to trace the conclusion statements. And once you have traced the conclusion statements, you know at least that one position is fixed and the rest of the statements can be arranged accordingly. Now, the third suggestion is please look for transition words and time clues. Transition words really help us identify mandatory pairs or the statements that are bound to come after each other. So, look for words like however, nevertheless, in spite, despite. So, you will know that the author is trying to change the direction of discussion, or words like furthermore, moreover, in addition to. These words will help us identify that the author is trying to build the discussion, and hence we will be able to reach at this particular conclusion that what two statements can come together or can come after each other. Time clues are again very important. If you're able to observe the words like since, earlier, before, placing the statements becomes easier. Chronological order can also help immensely in cracking the questions. So you need to see what is the time frame that the author is trying to pick in order to arrange the sentences. Is he starting from history and coming to the present situation, or vice versa? And all these clues are very easy to identify. The only expectation from you is that you are observant enough to utilize the transition words that are provided to you, which makes question solving easier. Next thing, like I said before, identify mandatory pairs. So if you are able to, out of 5 sentences, identify 2 mandatory pairs, our goal to reach to the right answer will become easy. Mandatory pairs are those statements that are bound to come after each other. So pairs where the placement is fixed. So if you are able to see whether there is a cause and effect relationship, or advantage and disadvantage talked about after each other, such pairs help in a major way to crack questions of para jumbles. The next is please observe nouns, pronouns, and antecedents. So if you have a pronoun in the first statement, you know that if you are using he or she, there has to be a noun that these pronouns can refer back to. So by observing the pronouns and the associated nouns, placement of the sentences will become really easy. So these are 5 important suggestions. Apart from that, if you are having answer choices, of course, you can get into utilizing the options effectively. Process of elimination can work wonders in case options are provided. In case it is type in the answers, then you can follow these 5 tips to get accuracy in parajumble questions. Now, apart from the benefits that you receive on Unacademy's app, where there are special classes that happen for free and are open to everyone, and the YouTube sessions where the India's topmost mentors are training you, we also have 2 paid subscriptions which we call Plus and Iconic. So in Plus subscription, you are trained by India's best educators. The sessions are interactive, the courses are structured, you are provided with PDFs and their live tests and quizzes. And all these are very crucial to crack CAT. In Iconic subscription, you get all the benefits of Plus subscription. Apart from that, you have a personal coach who is going to handhold you in your entire journey of preparation. So, at times we have days where we are absolutely at sea and we don't know how to proceed further. Or despite our regular endeavors, we are not able to improvise our scores. So, here seeking an advice from an expert will really give you immense relief and will tremendously boost your performance. So this remains to be an iconic feature of our Iconic subscription. Also, we help you with other management entrance tests in this subscription. There are expert guidelines and detailed test analysis, which remain to be other promising features of Iconic. Now for the Plus subscription, the fees for 24 months is 32,800. For 12 months, it is 22,550. And for Iconic subscription, the fees for 24 months is 67,000 and for 12 months it is 39,500. You can use my code JNLive10 to get a 10% off on the subscriptions. So I hope you found these 5 tips to be useful. Please start practicing and gradually you will see a lot of improvement in para jumpers. Please stay consistent, keep working hard. All the best.